Hi guys, how are all of you? So welcome back to my channel RJ Explains. So let's get started. So guys, I am back with a very new exciting topic, which is what did COVID-19 and this lockdown taught us. So guys, I do have 6 points I do need to tell you guys. So let's get there. So guys, the first point is work from home should be made an option and not just a way out. So guys, I do think that this work from home option would be ideal for most aged people as well. And I also do think that all companies should probably start doing work from home, and I think this would obviously help the company's employees as well. And guys, I also do think that most of the companies should actually do this, as they can give some piece of work to their employees, and they will say that we need this work done by the end of the week or month, and they can do it at home or wherever they may feel like to do the work, and that is going to help them a lot. So guys, the second point is that internet should be made a basic right like all other rights that we have, like a right to speak, a right to education, and those kinds of rights. So yeah, so guys, I do think that we need it, like all of the people need it every single time. Like now in this state of a lockdown, this is the only way a person can talk to his friends, families. So this is a very important thing that all of us need and all of us use in this time. And I do think that it should be made free. Yeah, but yeah, I do think that, like, if this is made free, then it will help a lot of people in this world, and I do think that this will help a lot of people. So guys, there are a lot of small boys and girls who cannot afford to go to school, so they can actually use this and read from their Android phones as well, as there are a lot of apps from which they can learn. So I think this should be made a basic right for everyone. So guys, I also do know that now all the schools and colleges are closed. So all of the classes are going online. So there are a lot of kids who do not even have a Android phone. They have those small phones. So how will they actually do those online classes? How are they supposed to do that? Yeah, I know that all nowadays have a Android phone, but yes, there are some who have a Android phone, but they don't have a stable net connection. So how will they do their online courses and classes? So I think that if this is made free, it will help a lot of people. So guys, the third point is that doctors, nurses and researchers should be paid more than what they actually get paid. So I do think that they should be paid more, as they actually do a lot of work. And now in these 4 or 5 months, the kind of workload they have gone through, it is beyond imagination. Like, they have done some serious piece of hard work, and they do need to get paid good for this kind of hard work that they have done. So why actors are paid so well, then why not a doctor, a nurse and a researcher? Like doctors and nurses, they are the guys who actually try to make a person live. They actually help in the survival of a person. And now if I talk about a researcher, then he is the guy who tries, who is trying every single day to find a cure to this COVID-19. And he's, yeah, he's failing every single day, but he's still trying and he's not losing hope that no, I won't be able to do this. He knows that I will have to do this for my country, and he will still go on and do this. So guys, now we have come to point number 4, which is in the state of a lockdown, everyone should know how to cook, as that is a very important thing that we all should know. And I do think that there are a lot of people who are still eating fry and serve foods. So I don't think that that is something you should eat every single day. And guys, I hope you know that the only thing that everyone is eating nowadays is Maggie, as it is the most easiest thing to cook, and most of the guys don't even know how to cook. So even I don't know, but I'm still trying to learn, and yes, I will learn. So yeah, I also think that it makes you more self dependent, and that's what you should be in these days, as you have to take care of your own selves these days, as no one else will take care of you in these days, as these are very crucial days for all of us. If you know how to cook, then it is a extremely important and thing you should learn, as it can help you survive in all possible times. So guys, I do know that there are a lot of people who have got separated from each other because of this lockdown, as he may, like a guy may have been at someplace else, and this lockdown all had happened, so he's staying at that place and he's separate from his family, and he still does not even know how to cook. So now he has to mm, buy those fry and serve foods and eat. And I think that you should not eat those fry and serve foods every day, as that will as it is very like they are very oily foods, and that's not something you should have every single day. So yeah, and if you do know how to cook, then you can cook some meals for yourself and just keep yourself healthy. So I think yeah, this is a very important thing. So guys, now we have come to point number 5. So guys, you should wash your hands every single time you eat. So I think that you should actually wash your hand every single time, whether there is a virus or not. It's no harm to wash your hands. So I also do think that we all should wash our hands every single time we eat for 20 seconds, and we all should do this if we want to keep ourselves healthy from all kinds of viruses there can be. So there's no harm in doing this, and you can spare 20 seconds of your life to really keep yourself healthy and to keep your immune system up, as I think that this is a very like everyone should be selfish about his or her health. So why are not we doing that? We should do that. We should wash our hands every single day for 20 seconds, and every single time we eat, we should wash our hands. So guys, you all should do this every single time. So guys, last but not the least, point number 6, and now this is the most important thing that I feel that this lockdown has taught me. I don't know about you guys, but this has definitely taught me a lot of things, as I do think that, yeah, this is exactly how the caged animals in the zoo feel. But the fact is that we are just in a state of lockdown for just 4 or 5 months, and we are frustrated that we have to stay at home and we cannot go somewhere else. Then what about the caged animals in the zoo? Their lockdown starts when they are born and it ends when they die. So how is this fair? So how can we exactly do this to them? How can we exactly feel how they must be feeling? like their entire life goes in a lockdown. So aren't they frustrated? If we are so much, then aren't they? So guys, I do think that all animals should be set free and they should be in their natural habitat and not in a zoo for us to see them. Yes, if you do want to see them, go to those places where you can actually see them in their natural habitat, in their natural forms, in their natural moods, and that will actually make them look more attractive than ever. So guys, I do think that nature has shown us a lot of anger in these few months. Amphan, earthquakes, Nisarga. So these are a lot of things that we have seen and we have felt how powerful nature can be. So we know that we can't control it ever and we shouldn't try also. So guys, I just want to say to all of you that animals in the zoo should not be caged. They should be sent back to their actual homes where they live. And I think if we are trying so hard to get out of this lockdown, then why shouldn't they be given a chance? They also are souls, like they are also created by God as we are. So why is this injustice being done to them? So guys, I think that wraps up all, and yeah, thank you so much guys, and if you do like my content, please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon for more contents just like this. Thank you so much guys. Bye.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight. Oh, my body's breathing, it's just you.